Hello, and welcome to Close the Gap Therapy Solutions. Today, I'm going to discuss how to make a checklist. Now, I mention checklist because many of our kids think, well, if I make a checklist, it's a shopping list. And although a shopping list is very useful, it can also be used to help organize thoughts and writing papers and following directions. So today, I'm going to show you how easy it can be to follow directions in a checklist format. So let's take a look. Today's instruction is going to be with an example of glowing bouncy balls. And it's a little kit here that I picked up at a local dollar type of store, and it does come with all the necessary instructions. So today we need to list the directions in the form of a checklist, and we need to listen closely in order to help train how to do a checklist. Your child will need auditory skills and appropriate grip for this task to write down the instructions. So in this instruction, these come with the little kit, okay, and it's called Mayo Bouncy Ball, all right? And it comes with a pretty lengthy list of directions, okay? So we want to simplify that in a checklist format with your kiddo. So as I read, they're going to write down what they hear. Okay, so the project is to make a simple bouncy ball. And step one is to make sure the mold is snapped closed. So your child is going to write down in step one what they hear you say. Snap mold closed. Step two, stand the mold up so that the funnel end of the mold is pointing upward. They'll write stand mold up with funnel end up. Simplify the terms makes a checklist much easier. Step three, pour the contents of one of the packets into the mold so the packet lies just beneath the top of the funnel. Pour one packet into the mold until the funnel starts. Make it simple once again. Step four, fill a mixing cup with water and drop your mold into the cup. Place a plastic cup 2/3 filled with water on table. They need to know where to put it. Drop the mold that's filled into the cup with water. Step five, wait approximately 3 minutes and then remove the mold from water. Again, simplify. Wait 3 minutes, and this is where a timer will help with an audible beeper. Remove the mold from the water. Step six, unclasp the mold at the side to reveal your bouncy ball. Unsnap the mold to reveal your bouncy ball. This is a very simple yet effective method for your child to learn how a checklist can work for them to complete a task. This type of task can also be used for writing papers. It can be used for data collection. It can be used for, again, shopping. But it helps your child organize how this task will take shape. And it can be expanded to incorporate what your day will look like or what your week will look like. As they learn these new skills, this can help them learn and maintain wonderful organizational skills. So start simple. Start with a very simple task like making a little activity such as a bouncy ball. Or it might be a little erector set or something along those lines. That's very simple. I hope this has helped. If you have further questions, please email me at closethegaptherapysolutions@gmail.com. If you have any questions about my podcast, please email me at closethegap.podcast@gmail.com.